Hi everyone, welcome to Hokkaido. My name is Bertrand and I will be your guide navigator today. So I'm really glad to welcome you today in Otaru City. As you can see behind me, you can see the canal actually and the warehouse behind us, which makes this place really unique in Japan. And today's tour is about Japanese sake, Japanese beer, and also a visit of the historical town of Otaru in a rickshaw today. So we are actually now in front of the Otaru Beer Brewery in Otaru, where actually you can find a beer which is brewed only here in Otaru. Please, let's go inside. So as you can see, the person in charge here is actually arigatou gozaimasu, Mr. Ryan. Mr. Ryan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so there is a technical problem in Team 1, so I'm going to show you around the Tanaka Sake Brewery.
And this is actually the place where we're going to buy our beer glass. Okay, let's get inside. Okay, this is actually the marketplace. As you can see inside, let's have a look. Oh la la! Oh my god, it's so big! How do you eat it? Oh, it's so big! Actually, let's go with Mr. Kojima! Okay, so this is actually the glass we bought just before, actually. Like you can see, the design is really nice, really awesome, really cute. Thank you for following us today, and I may say kampai. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.